Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word conjecture. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Many experts have put forth the conjecture that there may be life on other planets. A conjecture is a conclusion based on incomplete information or speculation, often used in discussions or theories without solid evidence. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.